First, change profiles to Modern 07. Select the light section. Exposure to 0.79. Contrast to 24. Highlights to -47. Shadows to 20. Whites to -63. Blacks to -26. Select Color section. Vibrance to 28. Select Effects section. Texture to -16. Clarity to 19. Vignette to -19. Midpoint to 43. Roundness to 5. Feather to 79. Select Detail section. Sharpening to 12. Color Noise Reduction to 15. Select Geometry. Distortion to -1. Thank you. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more editing tutorials.